Today we are making a very simple, quick and easy chicken and avocado salad. Low carb, high in protein, some good healthy fats and some greens in there as well. Very easy here. So I've got salad, avocado, chicken breast, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, salt and black pepper. That's it. Nice and easy one. Pan is on to high heat and we'll go from there. So chicken is cut up, sliced thin. Just season both sides, leave that, and you first thing to put on the chicken, then saves you time. You can do all the other shit while the chicken's cooking. That seasoning is going everywhere, but it's all good. I'm looking for that there. Just press it down into the chicken. I'll clean that up in a minute. Make sure and get it well coated. And then it'll be going in for around 5 minutes. Again, I've sliced this very thin. That's how I like it. It cooks better as well. Cooks a lot faster. And you don't need to mess about. For the avocado, all you do is cut it right in half like this. Go all the way around. And then split it open. Easy. Get that out. And then I just like to drag them up and down like this. Just careful not to go right through and stab yourself like I nearly done there. And then spoon and scoop it out just like that. You can do all that as the chicken is cooking, so that you're not wasting time doing all that first, and then we're just standing around waiting. So easy, time efficient way to go about things. And that is the avocado and the salad side just about ready. Chicken will be around 5 minutes total. Cook it after, flip it after 2 and you're good to go. Time is up and the chicken is ready. 5 minutes, it doesn't need much longer, but it's sliced so thin. But that is the chicken avocado salad. Very easy, quick and easy. Very easy, quick and easy. Very easy, quick and simple recipe you can put together in 10 minutes. Low carb, high in fat, healthy fats, and some good greens and protein. If you enjoyed the recipe, I cannot fucking speak in this video today. If you enjoyed the recipe, please leave a like, comment below, don't forget to subscribe, and comment which recipe you would like to see next as well. See you in the next one.